Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Is anybody out there? I think my voice is getting a little better. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 9 minutes and 35 seconds, breaking down the gold and silver news from today, and boy, is there a lot. We're going to see the market close together for the week. SpaceX just made the first trillionaire ever, and it's not me. Dang it! Ladies and gentlemen, please smash the like button. Please share the stream. We're going to be live in just 9 minutes and 15 seconds. Buckle up if you're ready. Grab a drink, grab a beverage, and I'm about to tweet it out right now next. If you could go retweet it, I'd appreciate it. Thank you. 9 minutes till we're live. Smash the like button.
In the borders, I'm a golden and silver stacker on the run. Circle the globe till the treasure's done. You should subscribe. Join the crustacean nation. Yeah, free silver, free gold for the whole foundation. Golden and silver stacker never alone. Never.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 7 minutes and 55 seconds, breaking it all down. Mrs. IS ran to the post office to get the prototype from Reckless Metals. I might be able to show that off tonight. We'll see. We're going to be live in 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Please smash the like button and please retweet the tweet on X. Thank you.
Tokyo nights to Rio sun, from Arctic ice to island drums. Every stamp on my page.
Are you still stacking?
Another drop in the way.
Are you building dynastic wealth? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 6 minutes and 15 seconds, breaking it down, covering the breaking gold and silver news. Smash the like button, share the stream. Who's with me?
Like a tidal wall.
Let's go, let's go. I have not, Richard. Richard, I've not put out the date for the Mega Guy yet, but it's coming like a freight train, I'll tell you that much. Mega Guy's coming like a freight train. Just keep subscribing. We'll get there soon. West Texas, I did not hear about that. Let me look that up. Thank you for that. Let me check. Yes, Victor, I got two shares. I got 2 shares. I went big and got 2 shares.
Riches untold. International stacker, here to say mill. Coins and bars.
It was a great trip dropping the mic. Thank you for being a member for 4 months.
Hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew. Let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're just 4 minutes and 10 seconds away.
Chasing that mill.
Smash the like button. Share the stream.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow.
Thank you, Lisa Anderson, for being a member for 5 months. Oh, I'm back safely and I'm ready.
Feel the thrill. International stack on that mill.
Let's go. Thank you, Richard Metcalf, for being a member for 8 months. Saying let's rock. Ladies and gentlemen, we're 3 minutes and 20 seconds away here.
Strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill.
And thank you, Russ Thompson, for becoming a crab cadet.
Hit that sub.
Craig saying the 42nd Battle Crab Brigade welcomes King Crab back to the normal mic. Thank you, Craig. And you've got,
Stacking strong.
11 patched members. I patched 11 members live. So you got 11 members patched now, Craig. Met them at the meet and greets.
Chasing that mill.
We got MLZB, who's been a member for over a month. Thank you.
Chasing that.
Oh, and the Wounded Warrior Project benefit auction starts on July 3rd. Thank you for that. MLZB, can you drop the link in chat where that's going to be for people?
Side to side.
2 minutes and 20-second warning. Smash the like button if you're ready. We're only 15 away from 100.
The beat we chase. Treasure gleaming. Golden space.
Let's go.
Your claws up, don't delay.
Let's get a crab dance going right now. If you're ready, drop a crab. C-R-A-B, not C-R-A-P. Drop a crab in chat. I better not see any poop emojis. I better not.
Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me. Gold and silver, who wants it all? Are you ready for the mega gaw? We're the crew, the shell brigade. Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up, don't delay.
Oh, what have I done? What have I done?
Party night and
Whoa, Russ Thompson upgraded to Diamond Claws. Let's make some noise for Russ Thompson. Thank you so much, Russ. You're mega. Drop a what in the chat, says Lewis. Oh my goodness. That's funny, Russ. That's funny, Lewis. 1 minute warning. You guys want old school? You want little kid? What do you want?
boils lay.
Let me know ASAP.
We're the crew,
We're the crew.
brigade.
Shell Brigade.
Found the music's play.
Yes, 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 yes.
Your claws up in the sky.
Let's go.
International stacker, he's our guy.
go.
Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean.
And the Pumpa has joined the Chaps Brigade. Oh my goodness. Let's get it. Here we go.
Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me.
One stacker on a journey to find silver. International stacker. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Boys and girls, the name's International Stacker coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. 69,150 subscribers, only 50 more subscribers until the next big show. And how's the volume level, guys? How's the mic? How's the music? Let me know right now. I'm going to turn it up in my ears a little bit because I like to party. I like to absolutely rock out, so I'm turning it up in my ears right now. Okay. We got videos around the world. Go check them out. But guys, silver overnight. Oh my goodness. It had a bit of a beatdown. We covered that this morning. Look at that. Whoa. But look what's happened today. Silver's up since 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time last night. We're up over 1.01% on silver. So silver hit a low since the last live stream. So since 8 a.m. this morning, silver hit a low of 66.19. It hit a high a little earlier today of 68.37. Currently on a red candle of $68 even. That's silver. Gold up 0.05%. So it hit a low today of 4,177.15. It hit a high of 42.35.68. Currently on a red candle of 4,213.38. The gold to silver ratio is sitting right at 61.95 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. Looking like it wants to dive back under 60 here soon. And the Shanghai Futures Exchange hit a low today of $73.21. A high, and it closed at 75.89. Ladies and gentlemen, since you went on vacation, we filled multiple gaps, as Ralph Ramsey. We need the music. Well, ladies and gentlemen, while I was on vacation, we did fill multiple gaps. Let's do it now.
We filled that gap, turn the candle green. Close that gap, stack silver with me. We filled that gap, turn the candle green. Close that gap, stack silver with me.
So those gaps have been filled, ladies and gentlemen, and we've got exactly 16 and a half minutes left until the market closes for the entire weekend. 1 second here. Sorry, guys. My throat is being a little funny today, but I'm quickly recovering. I am on the mend. So I got some breaking gold and silver news for you guys. First, let's see what you guys are saying. Then we're going to jump into the news here. Future Mode is saying, come on, the water is hot. Variable Chart is shouting out the stream, thank you. Mike D shouting out the stream, thank you. Variable saying, let me introduce you to the $1 trillion man. We're going to cover that in a second. Blue Shadow shouting out the stream, thank you. Whoa, look at this from Master Blaster, the Baby Gator International. Okay, let's go here. Here we go. Let's turn this up.
Big green candle.
Whoa, that is the Baby Gator yelling for a big green candle. Well, you guys demanded it. You're going to get it. Smash that like button. I'm going to smack you upside the head with the Baby Gator call.
Okay, I'm going to try to do the Baby Gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the Baby Gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
I'm telling you, it was massive. I swear it was massive. Okay, let's jump into the breaking gold and silver news. Let me go here. Okay, I've got a lot of breaking gold and silver news. Then we're going to watch the market close. And if Mrs. IS gets back here in time, I'm going to show you guys the Reckless Metals collab is finally coming out. The prototypes are in the mill. I'm about to show it to you. And just so you guys know, John got his soup. There's now a new side quest. If whoever gets Rick Harrison his soup so far, you're going to get one of the new Germanium Odin gold bars. You're going to get the silver plated soup. Soup ladle here donated by Sicilian Stacker Fingers. It actually has a stamp there that says IS. It stands for International Silver. And you're going to get the brand new Germanium mint copper around here. So that is so far the bounty. Something tells me it's going to keep on getting bigger. So whoever gets Rick Harrison, his soup is going to get that. Okay, let's jump into it right now. Oh, two things. Wait. No, I'll hit that later. Okay, here we go. Okay, breaking news here. Here we go. Breaking the first trillionaire ever. How many more trillionaires are coming, ladies and gentlemen? What do I mean by that? What do you think I could possibly mean by that, ladies and gentlemen? Elon Musk is on track to become the world's first trillionaire as his wealth continues to explode. Look at how big one. Look at how many zeros that is. But the rest of America watches the dollar lose purchasing power at record speed due to rampant inflation and endless money printing. This is exactly why physical gold and silver matter the most and matter more than ever. They protect real wealth while fiat currencies continue to get debased. So the more our currency is printed into oblivion, the more paper fiat that's made, the more trillionaires we're going to see, the more millionaires, the more billionaires we're going to continue to see. So when will the next trillionaire come? Now that is from SpaceX, and SpaceX just launched today. Let's go to it. Now, I bought 2 shares. I bought 2 shares here on Open. I did buy 2 shares. I went a little crazy. You know, I just want to put my foot in the water and see what happens there. In 15 days, a bunch of retirement funds, etc., are going to be buying into it. So I didn't feel strong enough about it to go crazy, but I got 2 shares. We'll see. And if I can flip it into something, I'll flip it into more mining stocks or physical gold and silver. All right, here's the next piece of news. Scammer gets served chocolate gold coins instead of $700,000 in real gold. A 20-year-old suspect drove to from Illinois, thinking he was picking up $700,000 worth of American gold eagles from a 79-year-old widow. These people are disgusting, guys. They prey on these elderly people. It is disgusting. Instead, Kent County Sheriff's Office and a GR coin set up a sting and handed him chocolate coins instead. The widow was actually tricked into buying 145 real gold coins, but the local coin shop dealer caught it. They caught it. And Silver Serpents in chat saying, welcome back, IS. Thank you. It's great to be back. And RJC saying, hey, IS, what do you think the average number of ounces stackers in chat have in their safe? Under 100 or over? I would say the average in chat right now is over 100. If we added everyone's together and divided it, I would say over 100. If you're over or under 100, put over or under in chat. Let me know. But anyways, the scammer is now facing multiple felonies. Here's the video on it. It's pretty funny. But newsflash, scammers out there, be careful. You get it. I've gotten a call and an email from scammers today trying to trick me. It's an everyday thing. Be careful if you get reached out to and someone says you owe money or you're going to prison or this or that. They're all scams. Do not get scammed. All right, next piece of news here. The U.S. dollar's grip on global commodities is slipping. According to a new report from The Diplomat, China is reportedly accelerating efforts to price and settle oil, metals, and key commodities in RMB instead of USD. That's right, the Chinese yuan. And remember, there are rumors that they're trying to make a gold-backed yuan. And look at that, Joe Ina, member for 5 months. You can never go on vacation again. Silver crash, she's saying. Well, guys, I am back, and silver is now up more than 1% for today. So we'll see if we can get back over 70 here, maybe on Monday. I don't know. We've only got about, what is that? 10 and a half minutes till close here. Let's look at the weekly. I'll go back to the news here in a second. Oh, guys, we are on the cusp of a green candle. Look. The bankers are definitely not going to like that if we finish this week a green candle, those slippery little salamanders. So we keep watching as I take another sip of my throat coat tea. 1 second here. Yeah, imagine I'm sipping throat coat. My voice is actually way better than it was. Guys, I had completely lost my voice. I couldn't even communicate with the girls. I had to do the noises when I call the rats. I had to go. I had to do that noise. I couldn't even speak. This isn't happening overnight, but the shift is toward a more multipolar financial system is gaining momentum. Meanwhile, central banks continue buying gold at record speeds. Nations are diversifying their reserves. More cross-border trade around the globe is being settled outside of the U.S. dollar. For gold and silver stackers, this is the long-term trend worth watching closely. Here it is here. So if you want to read more about that, there's the article. Now, guys, Littlefoot, silver stacker, is in chat. Can we all chant Littlefoot? Littlefoot. He was the first ever winner of the Hidden Hoard. The mysterious stacker just hit the ultimate jackpot. He won 5 ounces of silver, 5 ounces of copper, more goodies. Here's his video. He posted a whole video on it. So let me drop this link in chat. You can open it up in a different window. But he tells you guys about the meet and greet and how he won. And if you're planning to come to a Hidden Hoard or meet and greet, there might be some valuable intelligence in that in that video there, that might help you on future meet and greets, because I do give away other stuff. Not that so go check that video out. And again, congratulations, Littlefoot Silver Stacker. Did you buy the dip? Jim did. Look at this, guys. Jim bought the dip. Look at that. He got American Silver Eagle. He got a Canadian Superman. He got a Britannia here. I think it's around it. I can't tell. I'd have to look. I'd have to get my face close to the monitor to see those. Okay, another big news in my backyard. And guys, if you're enjoying the stream, please smash the like button. We only need 7 more to 150. I know we can do that, and it helps the stream so much. Thank you. A 400-year-old silver bar weighing 22 pounds was pulled from the ocean near Key. Oh, I missed the T. Key West. It says Key West. Key West. Key West. And it's worth an estimated $150,000 to $200,000. The legendary treasure from the Nuestra Senora de Atocha shipwreck weighs 22 pounds as pure silver, covered in centuries of marine incrustation and actual possible crustaceans. One of the first major recoveries from the shipwreck in nearly 30 years. As someone who lives in Key West, this one hits differently. It's a reminder that one of history's greatest treasure ships is still giving up its riches 400 years later. What would you guys rather have? I'm going to ask you guys a question right now. Thank you, Ralph. I'll answer that one next. What would you guys rather have if I was going to give it to you right now? A modern 1,000-ounce silver bar or a 400-year-old Otosha silver bar with a credible story? Which one would you rather have? Let me know in chat right now. I'm going to cover that as soon as I'm done with the news here. Ralph, thank you. Silver's third wave incoming. Bears are running out of time. According to Michael Oliver's Momentum Structural Analysis, MSA, long-term 2016 silver bull market remains intact. I agree with that. Correction from 120, just an intermediate reset. I agree with that. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. Strong hands bought every dip into the 60s. I agree with that. 3 waves is all you get. The bears are running out of time. If history rhymes, consolidation could simply be setting the stage for the next explosive move. Meanwhile, industrial demand is surging, supply remains tight, and governments around the world are scrambling for critical minerals. What do you guys think of Michael Oliver's model here? Is it too bullish or on base? Put that in chat right now. Let me see. Go back here. I got a few more pieces of news for you guys here. Look at this. The U.S. dollar, its purchasing power has been stolen, half of it, since COVID lockdowns. Think your money buys less than it did just a few years ago? You're not imagining it. A new analysis by the Brownstone Institute argues that since the lockdown era, U.S. economy suffered 12% loss in GDP. U.S. dollar lost roughly 50% of its buying power. And remember, since its inception, let me pull this up here. Hold up. Since its inception, this is only till 2019, it has lost about 99% of its buying power. We're good. And then the Fed's created, and then, it's all gone to hell. It's all gone to hell. So yeah, 50% of its purchasing power. Meanwhile, central banks are buying gold at record levels. U.S. states are embracing sound money policies. Governments continue carrying enormous debt loads created by that period. So if you want to read more about that, there's the article there. And I did want to say a big shout out and thank you to Hero Bullion for sponsoring the channel. Guys, if you want Hero Bullion, if you want that bar I gave away, and by the way, thank you to Hero Bullion, I'm giving away a 10-ounce bar. We're up to over 95 ounces of silver. Thank you for those jewels, Neophyte. Thank you. We're up to over 95 ounces of silver in the upcoming mega giveaway. Oh my goodness. All you got to do is subscribe. But if you guys want those, they're running out. They're running out. Look, if you go here, beep. Let's see. Are there 500 of the 5 ounces left? Let's see. Okay, there are about 500. That's the number I checked earlier. They're halfway. Oh, no, they're more than halfway gone. There's 1,776 of them. Don't miss out on that. Get your own free silver. IS Mega God. There you go, Master Blaster. Okay. 4 minutes. 4 minutes until the market closes here. Russia's missing gold tons just reappeared. And the numbers are massive. After years of limited transparency, Russia's natural resource minister says They mined 480 to 485 tons of gold in 2025. They forecast 480 to 500 tons in 2026. That would make Russia the number one miner of gold in the world. There are much higher numbers than and it surprised analysts as Russia has stopped releasing the data. I'm not shocked that they're getting more gold with all the costs from the war that's going on. So there's more on that in-depth information. Shocking alert. Russia was not reporting all the gold they were mining. I guarantee you China's not as well. I guarantee you we're probably not as well either. All right, one more piece of news here, and then we're going to go to the chart here for market close, and we're looking strong, ladies and gentlemen. I think we're going to finish on a green candle here. Critical minerals demand is exploding, and silver is right in the middle of it. A new UNCTAD report says surging demand for critical minerals like lithium, copper, nickel, and rare earths is reshaping the global economy. What's driving it? AI data centers, electric vehicles, solar panels, grid monetization, advanced electronics, ladies and gentlemen. You want to read more about it? Go there. And the last question. Are you a type 1 ASC or a type 2? I prefer type 1. Put 1 in chat if you prefer type 1. Put 2 in chat if you prefer type 2. Okay. Now that I'm back at the charts, we've got 4 minutes and 57 seconds left. No. We've got 2 minutes and 15 seconds left. So the good news is we are on a weekly green candle, and we want to maintain this. We want to finish on a green candle. I think we can do it as long as those slippery little salamanders stay away. So I'm going to hit him with a baby gator.
Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa! What was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
And if you smash the like button, I'm going to go in the COMEX right now. So smash it. Thank you. I'm going in.
Dudley! Smith! A fallen hard with one arm on the top! Oh my God! Oh no, he's not! Major choke slam!
And let's see if we can hold him off. We got about 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Now, people are asking what is a digital check? So if you hold a paper check in your hand, a lot of these online bullion dealers, including Hero, you can do a digital check. So instead of taking 5 or 7 days or whatever to physically write out a check and mail it in, you can take your check, click e-check, and you simply are going to enter your routing and your account numbers from your check into the spaces on a digital check. You enter all the information off your paper check into the digital. You click save. You're done. It goes through immediately. You don't have to wait days and days and days and days. It's amazing. So if you can do it e-check, I would recommend it. You don't have to send stuff in the mail. Risk it getting lost, someone stealing your check. And ladies and gentlemen, 30-second warning for the market to close here. Yes. Did that help you, Littlefoot Silver Stacker? Did that help you? Does it make sense now? Guys, we got 24 seconds left here. And I believe we finished on a weekly green candle. I think we did it. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. The bankers are absolutely freaking out right now. They had us 4 weeks in a row, but we fought back. Nice. What does the monthly look like? Ugh. We could get that back, guys. We just got to get into the 70s. We can get that back. We still got time to get that back. And the market is closed. $68.04. The next time you're going to see this market move, the COMEX is going to be Sunday evening. I will be live, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The next time you're going to see the Shanghai Futures Exchange open is going to be Sunday evening as well. And that's going to be at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And let's see what SpaceX closed at today. Let's see. One second here. What is going on my phone? Hold up. Hold up. My phone just started playing like something. I think my phone heard me and like loaded a video. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, let's go back to here. Whatever. SpaceX closed at 161.29. Wow. Or is it? No, it's closed, right? Yeah. What time is it? Yeah, it's closed. SpaceX, it IPO'd last night at 135, the pre-IPO. And then on IPO today, the lowest it got was 149.77. The highest it got was 176.62, and it closed at 161.29. Very interesting. Okay, if there's any other questions, I'm going to be answering them. I'm only going to answer a few. I got to rest my voice so I can come back Sunday, hopefully being 100% normal. But if anyone's got questions, please put them in chat. And please smash a like button. We're only 9 away from 200. I know we could do that. And ladies and gentlemen, do not sleep on the website. If you want to find the hidden hoard, just like Littlefoot Silver Stacker did, just like Cat Stacker did, here's the next 3. Orlando, Florida, July 9 through 12. Springfield, Illinois, 15 to 20. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, 25 to 28 of August. I'm going to be adding more in here. I think the first internationals are going to be Australia and New Zealand. So also on the website, I've got the live metal prices here from Oneida. You can watch them even when I'm not live. You can manipulate the chart yourself and just have a good, fun old time. You can check out the market hours when different markets are open. There's resources. There's all kinds of great information. And if you really want to show your Crustacean Nation pride, you guys demanded it. I listed it. You can now get your very own Crustacean Nation flag. Look at that. Wow. Here it is. Crustacean Nation, baby. I got those for meet and greets so I could fly a flag. I tried to have it in time, but I didn't have it in time. But now I got them. Okay. Silver Serpent says, thoughts on buying a 1/4 ounce gold soon? Should I buy it outright or sell some 1/10 ounce to help cover the cost? No. Your 1/10 ounce are going to be better for you in the future than the 1/4 ounce. I'd still get the 1/4 ounce, but I wouldn't sell any 1/10 ounce. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet crabs. If you could find 1/10 ounce for the same price as the 1/4 ounce in terms of premium, I would always go with fractional. The more fractional you can get with gold, the better. So if you could keep buying 1/10 ounces at the same premium as 1/4 and 1/2 and 1 ounces, I would do that all day long. Rest up, you silver Santa Claus is dropping them. I will. Derek says 100% normal. That's asking a lot. I'll be there. I'll be there. You will never be 100% normal. That's why we're here. Thank you for that, Kyle. Fingers, will you really be 100%? Oh, my goodness. You guys got me. You got me. Okay. Drano here saying, is there any way I can block Streamlabs chat? It's making me dizzy. Drano, you can, but that's going to mess you up on giveaways because I use that bot. So I'm sorry. I would say embrace it and earn some claws because I do sometimes do giveaways for he or she with the most claws. I'm waiting for my 5 ounces from Hero Bullion in the mail. Bought the dip, says Frodo. Congratulations, Frodo. That's awesome. Yeah, Littlefit, I'm good to go. Thank you for that. I'm all good to go on that. Okay, guys. I gotta rest my voice so I get it back 100%. But thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. This bounty for Rick getting soup is getting bigger by the day. Thank you guys so much. Smash the like button on your way out. Oh, should we raid someone? Let's raid someone. Let's raid somebody. Let's raid somebody. Hold up. Let's see who's live. Someone's got to be live. It's Friday. Hey, guys, copper coins with 12 people watching. Put a 1 in chat if you want to do copper coins with 12 people watch. International Stackers live. I think we might do copper coins. What do you guys think? I don't see anyone else that's a gold and silver creator live. Yeah, let's do copper coins. Hopefully it will let me. Let's get this. Okay, let's go here. 1 second here. 1 second. Stand by. And speaking about copper, shout out to Germanium Mint. They sent your boy a big old bar of copper. Look at that, 1,000 grams. These are for sale on Hero Bullion. But this thing is massive. It's a bare bones copper bar. Stack it to the sky. Okay, guys, let's go rate them right now. Smash the like button when we get there. Fill the chat with crabs. Let's have a good time. I'll see you guys all Sunday evening. I really appreciate the support. Smash the like button on the way out, and I guess I'll say CYOTNO. Catch ya on the next one.